So first of all, very good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. So today we are here to celebrate a Teachers' Day. Okay. So Teachers' Day is a very special day. We celebrate every year on 5th of September. Okay. So I am a teacher. Just it's my day, and all the students will celebrate its day. Okay. So today we will present some speeches. Some students will present some short speeches on Teachers' Day. So one by one, I will invite to each and every student here. So will present your speech. First, I am inviting Harsh. Harsh, please come on the stage and present your speech on Teachers' Day. It is my day. So just today you will speak. Just I will listen.
One book, one pen, and one child and a teacher can change the world. So, hello everyone, I am Harsh, and today I am presenting a topic, Teachers' Day. So, as we all know that we are celebrating Teachers' Day because teacher is our second parents, and this gives us everything. And we should always respect to our teachers, and they taught us every lesson in our life, because they don't taught us the lesson of any kind of book. They taught us the lesson of our life, and sometimes they beat us, but they didn't beat us. They want to say us that you are going in a wrong way, you should go in a right way, and they are making our future, like Sambhav sir and many more teachers. So I want to say that I am very lucky that I have teachers like Sambhav sir and many more teachers. So that's all about my topic. So now I am inviting Arshid.
So, good evening, all of you. My name is Harshita, and today I am going to present the topic on Teachers' Day. So, for me, teachers are the guideline. They teach us how we have to behave with others and our academic. Uh, Excluding the academic, they also teach us life lessons. Because of their guidance, we can make our future bright. They are the candle who gives us light, and they burn themselves, but they gives us light. And we have an opportunity to thank our teachers on this day. On 5th August, we greet our teachers for their hard work and for their care for us. And we celebrate 5th Teachers' Day in the honor of Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was the first Vice President of India and second President of India. He loves the student most, and he has given the many speeches and motivational speeches in the schools and colleges. He loves the student most. That's why in honor to the Sarvapalli Radhakrishna, we celebrate Teachers' Day. And it is believed that the teacher is the only one who guides us in a right path and take us to the uh, right path. And they don't teach us only academic. They also teach us how we have to spend our life, and how we have to behave with others. They are the only who cares about us. That's all. Happy Teachers' Day again. Next, I want to call Samyak Jain.
Okay, so first of all, good evening everyone. This is Samyak Jain. Today I am here to give a presentation on a topic. Thank you, teacher, or Teachers' Day. So let's begin with a small quote. So teachers are like compass that guide us on the path of knowledge. टीचर्स एक कंपास की तरह है जो हमें नॉलेज की रास्ते पर ले जाते हैं. सो नाउ लेट्स बिगिन द टॉपिक. सो फर्स्ट आई वुड लाइक टू से थैंक्स टू ऑल माय टीचर्स, not only to my coaching teachers but to all my teachers who have taught me, who are teaching me right now, and say thanks to my all the teachers. And so every year we celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th September in the honor of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. On this day, it was the birthday of him, and after that we celebrate this day as a birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. And the teachers are the most important person in a student's life. after their parents, because they guide on the right way. This was the right way and right path. If we go on the by mistake, if we go on the wrong way, so they show us the right way. What do you think? What does a teacher want? Just teacher. What do you think? You think that teachers just want gifts on Teachers Day, but it's not right. Just teacher wants to see his student, him or his or her students to become successful in their life and feel them proud. And because teachers are the most important, so we should respect them and we should never let them feel embarrassed. I also remembered a moment when it was my first day on this coaching institute, or and when it was going English batch. All the students were speaking fluent English, but I couldn't speak because I don't know how to speak. I didn't know how to speak English. After that, he teach me very well. Now I am here because of him. Last, I want to say again, a happy Teachers Day to all. That's all. Now I would like to invite Pandav.
First of all, good evening everyone. My name is Pallam Misra. Today I am presenting a speech Teachers Day. So I wish you all very happy Teachers Day. Teachers Day is celebrate 5th September every year, and it is the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, and he is a great teacher and second president of India. And Teachers Day is a special day for all students and all teachers. And teachers teach us good manners and good manners, discipline and knowledge. And teachers help us to become a good human beings, and without teacher we cannot success our goals. So teachers are very important in our life. So I want to say thank you all my teacher. That's all. Now I will invite Sumit.
Today presenting presentation on Teacher Day. So let's start. Our Teacher Day is celebrated on 5th of September and is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. And this is our first vice president and second president of our India. On the Teacher Day is a honor of respect and our teacher. And teacher give the knowledge, and teacher is a shaper of our future. And my thought is teacher is not who never in implying of the life. I am calling the next Natik.
Good evening, sir, and all of you. I am Natak Grewal. Today we discuss about Teachers Day. First of all, happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. And the Teachers Day is we know all that the Teacher Day is very special occasion for student and teacher. And teacher teaches us a good manners and make our future good and well. And teacher is the first most important person to. And teacher is the most important person to our life. And it is celebrated in 5th September in every year. And the 5th September is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was a great teacher and a second president of India. And this was declared by Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. And on this day, students gifts for teacher. That's about my topic. I will invite Ruturaj.
I am telling about code. And today I am presenting a topic of Teachers Day. To start, Teachers Day is very important for all the teachers and students, and we are celebrating on 5th September. For many students are celebrating this day very joy and happiness. And now I am telling about code. Teacher for and the teacher are teaching our good manner, and we are success in our life. That's all about. I am writing Deepesh.
Yeah, my Deepesh. My topic name is Teacher. Teacher Day is a important day for us, and this day celebrate 5th September. with a great joy and happiness. Teacher is important for our life, and there are so many teacher like summer sir, and we celebrate Teacher Day with great joy and happiness. I have a quote: one pen, one child, one book, change in the world. I am invited Vivek.
Good evening to all of you. Today my topic name is Teacher Teacher Day. Teacher Day is a very important day in our life. It is a Dr. Sarpalli. It is a birthday of Dr. Sarpalli Radhakrishnan. We are celebrating happy joy, and since it is a special day for teacher, and that's all my topic. I will invite Vanska.
My name is Vanska and today I am present a topic on Teachers Day. To start a code, you are guide of this life. So start the topic. Teachers help students and other pupils learn and progress their life. The teacher is responsible for shaping the career and lives of his or her students. On this day, students give cards and cards of on this their teachers. Thank you. That's all. Next, I am inviting the Kritika Didi.
The teacher reveal the past. The teacher present the past, reveal the present, and creator the future. A very auspicious good evening to respected sir and my lovely friends. This is Kritika. Firstly, I wish you all a very happy Teachers Day, and I am giving a speech on Teachers Day. So it is the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was the great scholar and ideal teacher. The teachers are like our superheroes and second parent. We should always obey and respect our teachers. They always guide us towards the right path. They are the They teach us good manner. Teachers are the source of knowledge and wisdom. Thank you all my teachers, and have a nice day. So I inviting Chanchal.
Good evening to all of you. My name is Chanchal Avat, and I am presenting the topic Thank you teachers. Thank you teachers for all your care and help. You make learning fun every day. I love how you tell us stories and teach us new things. You are always patient and kind. I have learned how to work hard because of you. You make us feel special in class. You make feel special in class. Make feel special in class. Plus, thank you for helping me when we don't understand. You are always smile and make us happy. We are lucky to have as our teacher. Thank you for everything you do for us. And I am inviting the way.
First of all, very good evening and happy Teachers Day. My name is Virjan and today I am presenting a topic on Teachers Day. Every year on 5th September, we celebrate Teachers Day and the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. And this is a great day for all the teachers and for Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He is the
second President of India. The first Teachers' Day is celebrated in 1962 on the request of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He served as a president in 1962 to 1967. We celebrate this day to give honor to all the teachers and to Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. This day reminds us the importance of teachers in our life. I want to say thank you to all the teachers who taught me and who is teaching me. To teach me and to make me able to do something great in my future. I want to finish my presentation with a thought that is whenever you can find something great, you can find your teacher. That's all. I am inviting Manas.
So first of all, good evening to all of you. I am Manas. So I set your topic that is Teacher's Day. So let's start this topic. So Teacher Day is a day when we celebrate for teachers, and at India we celebrate at 5th September every year, and we celebrate this day because it's a birth anniversary of the Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He is our second president and first vice president of India, and at schools they gave us many speeches and motivational quotes that pupils very like, and at Teachers Day people contribute money and buy some gifts for his teacher, and you can see people you can see people make a card and give to his teacher, and this is celebrated because it's a mind the importance of our teacher, and the teacher is our second parents. And I have a quote that is thank you not for teaching subject but for teaching life lessons. So that's all about my topic, and I am inviting Honey. Good afternoon, good evening to all of you. My name is Honey. I am presenting a topic of Teachers' Day. I am giving the speech of Teachers' Day. Teachers Day celebrate on 5th September, the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan in 5th September. The first Teachers' Day celebrated on 1962, and Teachers' Day are a very important day of teachers and students. There are many students given the gift in teachers and cards. Teachers' Day was the great day, and students are joy. Students are joy in Teachers' Day, and that's all. I am inviting Krishna.
Good evening, everyone. I am Krishna. I am presenting a topic of Teachers' Day. Teacher Day is very important in our student and teacher. We should always respect for our teacher. We should always respect for our teacher. And the teacher first, and the Teacher Day is celebrated by the by 5 September, and the and the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. And Teacher Day is celebrated of student and teacher. That's all. I am inviting is Nakul.
Good evening everyone. My name is Nakul Rawat and I am presenting topic Happy Teacher Day. Teacher Day is the special day of teachers. It comes on 5 September. We should respect our teacher. You make learning fun every day. It is the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. They help us learn new things and grow. I am next I am inviting Vanshika.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Vanshika. I study in 9th class today. Today we are presenting a topics of thank you teachers. So wish you all a very thank you teachers. Our teachers must always motivate and inspire her students. And spoken English teacher is my favorite because he has taught us the right things in life and correct ways, and they make the career of students and also good characters. And teachers are the great gift of God who educate us, and he always helps every students. That's all.
Good evening all of you. My name is Harshita. I am presenting the topic of Teachers Day. This day is celebrated September every year. Celebrated all over the India every year. It makes the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Friends decorate the classroom this day. Teachers Day makes teacher live big. Thank you. That's all.